Wallace and Gromit Forever presents
PBS 2009 Bloopers 51, a fridge full of bloopers.
Oh, waiter.
Are we at shame on you all of a sudden?
What's with the oh waiter, Sam?
Sorry, Sean. I'm just a little hungry.
Be Hungry PBS.
A gourmet production
of a banquet film, Night of the Ravenous Appetite.
It's only gore make believe. Hog 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 hog.
Go make believe.
Nice appetite PBS.
A taste production.
Taste the wine.
Taster's choice.
Pass taste a sax copy. Swasito.
Ah, Sam got the CO again.
Oh, bugger.
Calm down. We need the clue. It's only a line that people can say. Stay cool. Tantrum is coming on.
Why does everybody steal my line all the time? I only say that not everyone else you hear me. I only say that line you thieves. Thieves, 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 thieves.
Holy shnikes, Winnie. What do you think I am? Plant life.
Don't sweat it, Sam. Let's just dig ourselves out of here.
Later, after Sam and Scotty dug their way out of the ground.
Dinnerville PBS. A come and get it production.
Today's special, Sam a King. Swah, 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 ruffle, 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 ruffle. Ouch. Stop invading my kitchen, you butthead. Ow.
Then stop burning my toast, Scotty.
You'll be toast if you keep on being possessive of that laugh line, Sam. And quit roasting Scotty, capiche?
Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh!
Roast more.
Roast more.
Roast beast.
Beast mode.
I'll serve Scotty up as roast beast. Swah, 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 raffle, 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 raffle.
Swamore PBS.
A raffle production
of the all film.
Scotty.
Sam, I forbid you to fire Scotty without our approval. You don't outrank me.
I don't give a poop about rank, Sean. Scotty, you're fired.
Fired. Fired.
Spare the tantrum, Scotty.
You're rehired.
Thanks, Sean and Peter.
Hang it, Sean and Peter. How many butts do I have to kick to get some authority around here?
Start caring about rank, Sam, and know who the real boss is around here. Capiche?
Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh! Shush the sheesh! Shush the shush the shush the sheesh!
I've had enough of you, Scotty.
Put me down, Sam. You know Sean and Peter outranked you.
The hell they do, Scotty. Get out and stay out.
Microsoft Sam, are you nuts or something?
You know you'll just drive Scotty to suicide for firing him without our approval.
Gibberish. I will deny all responsibility if he kills himself.
Were you thinking straight? You've just given me completely the wrong answer. Oh, Martian.
Take it easy, Sam. Remain calm. Oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, bang, crumbly, I'm sick and freaking tired of being overruled every time I fire Scotty. Can't you just let me decide who stays and who goes? You buck fights.
Sam, are you alright?
Sorry, Anna. That tantrum was just a gut reaction.
That's alright. Sam, just remember your place in this studio. I'll take care of you while Sean and Peter look for Scotty.
Later, after Anna removed another tick controlosa from Sam's brain, and Sean and Peter brought Scotty back.
Banquet more PBS.
A shame on you production. French cuisine.
My cousin Patty works there.
Patty who?
Patty de foie gras?
Not Dunkis. Wah.
Malcontent!
ZZ more PBS.
A snooze production.
Of a slumber party film. A siesta. Ha 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 ha.
A siesta fiesta?
BZZZZ.
The mattress firm. Ha 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 ha.
That's better.
Okay, Sam, for being such a malcontent, take this!
Get these flipping captions off of me.
Hang on, Sam.
Later, after Anna pried the captions off of Sam. Be a Flatiron PBS.
A Pressing Matter production.
Of a steamroller film.
Vintage steamroller PBS. As opposed to the smooth circles. Ha 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 ha.
That's funny! Different map!
Sorry.
Powder more PBS.
And if I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake production.
Nice cake you were making.
Only the oven's hotter than usual.
They didn't use baking powder, they used gunpowder. Swah, raffle. Looks like we need a new oven.
Welcome to the club.
Later, after the gang bought a brand new oven.
What the F? Exactly what we thought when the old oven blew up.
I agree with you, Abby. Get it right or I left you, where the sun doesn't shine.
Don't play dirty with us, Sam, or else.
Or else what?
Look what the cat dragged in.
It's Evil Sean and Bandita Stoker again.
Quite right, you weirdos.
We are here to join the feast because we heard Sam threatening to F you all where the sun doesn't shine.
Jeez Louise, you infernal imps. When I say that, I don't mean to encourage you to barging in here.
You're not invited to the banquet.
The main course was already served.
We specialize in eating the crumbs.
Especially from the rich man's table.
Lazarus, you are not.
The new oven hasn't been installed yet.
We can build our own.
We start our own fire.
One false move and we'll bring in the fire extinguishers.
No need to. We're here because of another request from Lincoln Loud, aka BJ Solavka.
He wants the chairman of Hades to revive Mr. Evil Public from the dead.
My evil uncle. You know too well the Almighty forbade him from doing that.
That's right.
He should know that nailing people to the PBS logo is a defamation of Christianity.
Because doing such a scandalous act mocks the crucifixion, and you better leave these premises immediately.
Meddlers!
Allow the chairman of Hades to revive Mr. Evil Public, or else we'll poop all over Sean and his friends.
That's disgusting.
That vile act only sickens the victims.
Soil them and feel my wrath. And Lincoln Loud should know that reviving a power of darkness from the dead is against my will.
You heard it from the highest authority.
Begone!
Stop kicking us off! Let's get them, Bandita!
Months away.
Take this flipping censored sign down!
And show us pooping all over Sean and his friends, you butt like.
Gun. You sloth. You.
I second that reaction. Ew.
Get yourselves potty trained. Ew.
And stop using us for toilets.
Take this, infernal skewers of hazardous waste.
Curses! Beaten again! And we didn't even get one taste of the main course!
There goes our appetites. Not only the chairman will flog us, but Lincoln Loud will be extremely furious. Sam, Peter, Sean and Cruz are all cleaned up now.
You may resume your video. Thank God for sending those persistent party crashers back to their putrid pit of perdition.
You're welcome. Pudding more PBS.
A cherry pie production.
A la mode, a la carte.
No sense in going out to eat. We are all full.
Methinks we should try again in the morning.
You think's right, Peter, but I'm not full. Me and Cruz can go somewhere to eat ourselves.
Splendid idea, Sean.
Where are you going?
Shame on you.
No, Scotty. This time we're going to a different place.
And that is?
Dr. Tongue's 3D House of Pancakes!
Oh, the Styria.
This has been a Wallace and Gromit Forever production.